Dan, look at this thing. Holy crap. We have outdone ourselves. We have outdone ourselves. A CarMax junker to a Sawney Mountain Motors good car now, man. Oh, I can't even believe myself, and I'm very seldom shocked. Look at this thing. It looks so good, I think you should fix the scuffs on it now. Remember, you got a front bumper. You got a front bumper scuff there. You've got a rear bumper scuff right there. And the only other thing is it kind of needs 4 center caps that are all faded out. Oh man, this thing looks good. Hope you're happy. See you, bye.